Welcome back, coders. I'm back again with another problem set scenario, and that scenario will be over Python and will be generating Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series, let me make a file. I'll be first generating the code, and then I'll be giving an explanation to what I did. So I'll be writing a comma b equal to 0 comma 1. So in other programming language, what we do is that we declare a variable and then give it a value, initialize it to the value, again b equal to initialize some value. But in Python we can declare a variable and initialize it to the value in the same line, in the same line itself, in this way, a comma b. So here we are saying that the initial value of a is 0 and b is equal to 1. Now let's ask the user for the limit integer. Since we are typecasting the user given limit, which will be treated as a string. So if I give 6, it will be treated as a string. Now I need to convert it to integer. So what I will be doing is that input, please enter your limit, please enter your Fibonacci limit. Fine. Now we will static printing print a, and there will be no new line. So end equal to, again there will be print, and I will be having a formatted string. I will be having some space, and then within that I will be printing b comma end equal to blank. Now what we will be having is that we will need a for loop. So for I in range sorry, for I in range. Now the problem which I faced and I have just overcome is that for I in range you can write limit in this way. So you need to, after range, you need to give up range a pair of braces, and then inside it you need to pass the limit. So sum equal to a plus b, fine, and a comma b equal to b comma sum. Now I need to print this sum as well. So print will be again having a formatted string, some space, and after that we will be printing sum, and so that there is no new line, we will be giving end equal to blank. Fine. So this is how the program will look. Let's run the program. The enter Fibonacci limit 8. So sum, okay. So this sum I have forgot to give a braces, that's why it is printing sum. Now let's save the program. So notice here inside the formatted string, whatever value we are passing in, the variable needs to be written within curly braces. Let's run the program one more time. 8. So 112, 213, 325. So we are already having two numbers being printed, a and b. So the limit will be something like limit minus 2, since a and b is taking the first and the second number. Fine. So now what we will be doing is that let me explain the code what I did. Let me open up annotator. Fine, just wait a bit, hold on, stick to the moment before I begin with the explanation. So here is the whole code. So in the first loop we are printing a, and this is the b. Then we are having summation of a plus b, but in this particular, this is the sum of a plus b. In the second iteration, this was b, now this has been changed to a, and b is taking up the value of the sum. Again in this particular loop we are having sum equal to a plus b, means this 1. So this 1 was previously what? This 1 was previously b. So a equal to b, and this summation, the summed value is 2. So b equal to sum. So I am not so good with explanation. Let me again write it down. So we are having, let's take in account this third value. So for this particular this third case scenario, this 3, so let me just clear out the screen. Let's take into account this third value. So this third value is the sum, it is the sum of these two number. Now in this loop, this 3 is taking up the value of this 2, so b equals to 2 and a. So what was initially 3, so sum equals to, so b equal to, this is the third, so we are adding 3 plus 2, so 3 means 3 was the sum, so b equal to sum, and what was initially the first value, it has changed to, so a equal to b. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Hope I am being able to explain my Fibonacci series in a proper way and with explanation. That's all guys, thank you and happy coding.